Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Robinhood account with verification steps step by step clearly. To authorize your Robinhood account, begin by launching the Robinhood app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app opens, tap on the login button located on the welcome screen. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. If you are a new user, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. After logging in, you may be prompted to verify your identity. For this verification, you'll need to provide some personal information. Enter your full name as it appears on your government-issued ID. Next, input your date of birth accurately. You will then need to provide your social security number. This step is crucial for identity verification and to comply with legal regulations. Once you fill in your information, you'll be asked to upload a valid form of identification. You can choose to upload a driver's license or a passport. Ensure that the ID is clear and all details are legible. After uploading your ID, tap the Submit button to proceed. The app will process your information, which may take a few minutes. You might receive an email confirming that your verification is in progress. If additional information is needed, Robinhood will reach out to you via email. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification through the app. You can now log into your Robinhood account with full access to its features. Enjoy trading and managing your investments confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.